Hello.
Yes.
Sorry, I was calling you from there.
Are you not the guy from the lodge?
Yes, it's me.
Okay. Is there a problem?
Oh, no, no problem. I was actually calling you because I want to get to know you.
I don't understand.
Okay, my name is Johnson. Um,
I know. All right.
I also stay in the lodge.
I know.
Okay, so can we get to be friends? Good friends. So can I know your beautiful name?
Mabel.
Mabel. Lovely.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Okay.
So where are you headed?
That's not why you stopped me. You're not saying anything meaningful.
I've said meaningful something. I said
Like what?
I said
Look,
that.
just say what you want to say.
Oh. Hello. 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 Gracious morning to the beautiful Mabel. The most beautiful, actually.
Good morning.
So how was your night?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Actually, I was waiting in earnest for you to come out.
Like, seriously? I am out. What is it?
Mabel, why? The way you're asking me what is it, I'm even scared to tell you. The only crime I committed is that I like you.
Please. Look, I already know where this is going to. The next thing that you say, I love you. Then what next? What is it? Eh?
Why are you talking like this now? Of course I do. I do.
You know what? I am not even going to stand here and listen to this rubbish. Don't you dare follow me.
Mabel, I don't know why she's proving hard to get. And I really do like her. I never believed that I will find love while serving.
It makes the two of us because I never saw this coming.
Honestly, it's unbelievable. You see, I really feel this soft spot for you the first time I saw you. That was why all through you were claiming hard to get. I was being resolute because I know this is my woman.
You know what? I have this thing I've heard about male coppers, right? They have this sweet sugar-coated tongue that they use to get any woman that tickles their fancies. I just hope this is not what you're trying to do.
No, come on.
No, because if it is, you'll see me in your dreams.
Far from it. It's something I feel naturally. When I saw you, I felt that, that sense of belonging, like this person cannot pass you by. You have to walk on it.
You know the way you sound. You know this love thing very well. It's safe to call you the love doctor.
Now I'm only saying how I feel. Of course, you're beautiful. You're kind-hearted from the little I've observed. You're my dream woman, I must say.
Thank you, Mr. Hansel.
Beautiful. You are actually my dream come true.
What are you
pray.
doing?
What I'm doing is okay.
Johnson.
No.
It's just 3 months. We haven't even got to know ourselves very well, and
it doesn't matter. Making you my wife is a dream come true. Please, let's do this. I love you, you love me. So what is holding us? Okay?
I had no idea that I am dating the son of Senator Badmus, the money bag. He automatically hid his true identity away from me. But at what end? He should have told me. How can me, a poor girl like me from a poor family, marry into such family? I am sure as the only son, so much will be expected of me. I love Johnson so much, but I didn't know he is the only son of a multi-billionaire. I know his parents, they are very rich. Huh. I have seen them in the television, on social media, even though I have never seen them before. I can't face his mother. But this always has been my desire, to marry a rich man. The reason I went to the university against all odds, overcome those hurdles to be where I am today. I believe this is God at work. Maybe God just wants to wipe away my tears with Johnson and put my father to shame.
Why have you been avoiding me?
Johnson, this is not going to work. We are like two parallel lines that will never meet.
Why are you doing this to me? Is it that you derive joy in seeing me sad?
No.
What have I done to deserve this?
Johnson, I just don't see me in your future.
You are my future. My life will be incomplete without you. Can't you see? Can't you see that I'm restless? I haven't been myself.
Johnson, you are from a rich family. I, on the other hand, am from a poor background. It's not going to work.
My background has nothing to do with the way I feel for you. I love you, that is what matters. My family has nothing to do with the way I feel for you.
Johnson, I love you too, right? I love you very much, but I do not want to be committed to marriage. Johnson, I just feel I will not be accepted. Your family won't even accept me. We are like...
My own family? Let me bust your bubbles. My family has been disturbing me that they want to meet you. Yes. Which is why I want us to make it to Abuja this weekend. First flight.
Are you joking? You're being serious?
Of course I'm dead serious. I am the only son of my family. And all they wish is to see me happy.
So your family, they are all in Abuja?
Yes, my parents, my sisters, they're all in Abuja and they cannot wait to see you. Just what? You're not going to Abuja to lose your life. You don't have to develop a cold feet. You're just going to meet your prospective in-laws. Hey, we're going, okay? I love you. Can't you see that I love you?
And I love you too.
Let's make it happen, okay? So yeah, I want you to dress your best. Yeah, I want you to dress smart. My mom loves, dressing smart. So I don't want you coming to the house looking like a local girl, though you're not local, or coming to look like a church girl, because Justice Deborah, I know, will throw you out of the house.
Did you say Justice? Is she a legal practitioner?
Yeah, she's a son.
Johnson! I know nothing about you.
Yes, because I chose not to, let that come first. I feel love is meant to come first before telling you all of that. So it doesn't look like, I don't know. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm excited we're making it to Abuja.
My beautiful wife.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome to Senator Badmus Dynasty.
Thank you, Ma.
I understand you are an Igbo girl.
Yes, sir.
Igbo people are generally very industrious. I've heard a lot about Inewi people, how they inherited the spirit of hustling from their forefathers. Are you from there?
No, sir. I am not from Newi, but I am from Anambra State. Onitsha to be precise.
I like Anambra people generally. Do you know that my beautiful wife here is from Inewi?
What? Oh my God. Johnson didn't even mention his mom is Igbo.
I'm sorry about that.
You see, I am from Newi. That makes us sisters.
Yes, ma. Onitsha and Newi, one and the same.
Yes. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy. Johnson here has very good taste. He has eyes for good things.
Say that again.
Is there any wonder? He has eyes for good things just like the father.
Yes. Please, can we move to the dining for lunch? Let's go.
Let's go.
Babe, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Is there something you're not telling me? Because I don't understand why when we were making love you were crying, and since then you're still crying. What is it? Are you not supposed to be enjoying it? Love making is a sweet thing between two lovers, husband and wife for that matter. It's our first night together. So why are you crying when you're supposed to be happy?
I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
What do you mean it won't happen again? You don't want to tell me why you're crying?
You were just a little too hard.
Too hard? You could have told me now. Was that why you were just holding your legs? You couldn't even open up very, very well. It's okay. Next time I'll take it easy. See, you're crying. You're such a baby. You tell me to take it easy now. It's okay. Let's go to bed. It's okay.
What exactly is wrong with me? Why would I cry during lovemaking as if my husband is killing me? The pains I go through are so unbearable. But I used to enjoy sex. What changed? Is this what I will continue to go through in my marriage? As painful as it seems, I I need to keep my man and have him all to myself. I can't afford to lose him to some girl out there. Yes, because if he cannot get it from me, his wife, he will seek it outside our matrimonial home, and I don't think I can stand that.
So where do you want us to go for our honeymoon? What do you think of Ace? I think we should do Dubai.
Dubai? Yes, I haven't been there. I like Dubai.
Okay. Have you been there?
No! No, I haven't. Yeah, I haven't.
Okay. So, yeah. Have you been to any African country? Bali? Or have you been to any African country like Semi-Border or Ghana?
No, I haven't left Nigeria.
Okay. How about Lagos, my hometown? Have you been there?
Yes, I've been there twice.
Okay. So this is how we're going to start. We'll go to Dubai first. And then we'll go to Tanzania when coming back.
Ooh.
Then we'll do a few days in Tanzania. Then back to Lagos, my hometown.
Oh my god, I'm hungry, babe.
Okay, let me go get you food.
Oh, no. Let me go get your food.
No, it's my turn. I get you food. I serve it right here on the bed.
Okay.
I'm going to serve it right here on the bed.
Okay. I'll wait.
I'm the happiest woman on earth right now. My son just got married and has moved down to Dubai with his beautiful wife for honeymoon.
You know, it runs in the family. In our time, have you forgotten? We went to Berlin and we had a good time. Remember?
That was 35 years ago. Still counting.
Oh, yeah?
Badmos. The hottest guy on campus. Every girl's choice of a boyfriend. But you know what? I didn't give up. I won his heart. Yes.
Come on, baby. You are taking me down memory lane. Even though I was a very handsome guy, you were a beauty. The most beautiful girl on campus. Miss Unilag for that
Can
matter.
say that again.
So you understand why I came for you.
Hi. How will I forget how it all started? Those days were memorable days of our young love. They said I married them, Yoruba man. But they didn't know the reason behind my marrying you.
They wouldn't know. As you can see, history has repeated itself. Our son has now married an Igbo girl.
My sister.
So we believe strongly in Wazobia.
Can say that again.
Yes, no tribal discrimination.
Sorry? Hello? Yeah, who am I on to?
This is Johnson Sheyi Badmos calling you all the way from United Arab Emirates, Dubai.
Wow, Johnson, my son. You guys are now in Dubai, right?
Yes, Mom.
Oh, wow. My daughter-in-law. You guys don't know how happy I am right now. Yes. He's right here with me. All right. Maybe he wants to speak with you.
What are you waiting for? Hello. Oh, that is fantastic. Enjoy yourselves.
Wow, this is good.
Yeah. Let them enjoy themselves.
Yes.
Like we did.
But do we still enjoy ourselves?
Of course. You always want.
I don't understand. Why are you telling me not to bother? This is very serious. How can I be making love to my wife and she's crying?
Baby, please. Just give me some time.
Give you some time, how? All through our stay in the honeymoon, you were practically crying anytime we make love. And you call it normal? Is there something I need to know? Is there something you think of anytime you're making love? Is there a trauma? Did anything happen when you were younger? Does it have to do with just tell me?
No, it's just that each time you make love to me, I feel this unbearable pain.
You feel pain in your heart or down there? Down there. It's something that you say now. You then go for checkup. We'll have the family doctor there. He will check you up and know what's happening.
No, it's not necessary.
Babe, what do you mean it's not necessary? Okay, if you don't want to go see the family doctor, we'll use another doctor.
No, babe, that's what I'm saying is it hasn't gotten to the point of going to the doctor. It's just something that will pass with time. Trust me. Honestly, I'll be okay. I promise.
Okay, it's just to check up, check down, I mean, to know what is happening. It won't take time.
Fine. Okay. Please. Fine. I love you.
You know I have heavy crush on you, right? There's only an insane man that wouldn't crush on a walking beauty like you. You're so beautiful, girl.
Please tell me something else. So you expect me to believe that, huh?
You have to believe it, baby girl. You're so curvaceous. You know that, right?
Please. Are you crushing on me or you're crushing on my body or my beauty? Just tell me you're crushing on my body, nothing else, okay?
Look how curvaceous your waist is. Who wouldn't crush on it? I'm crushing on everything. From head to toe.
Men. Men with their panegyric. So you're gonna sing all these praises to me and you're still gonna go home and jump on your wife.
Hey, let's not talk about my wife, please.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Because the last time I checked, you were still married to her.
Oh yes, of course, I'm still married to the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. So if you will do us good to take her out of this discussion, that'll be very, very good.
Whatever. Does she know you are a big cheat?
Well, even if she knows, I said to myself that I must have a child. No matter what it takes me to have a child. Even if I get it elsewhere, nobody will question me.
I see. Just tell me you want a child from me, and I will gladly give it to you.
Well, I've said it severally that I want a child from you. Okay. If you will give me a child, then you have 20 million naira to your name.
20 million naira just to be your baby mama.
Well, not really. Here's the bargain. If you give me a boy as a male child, I'll give you 20 million naira.
Okay.
Then if you give me a baby girl, then you will be 10 million naira richer. Then if you give me 2 sets of boys, that's twin boys, then you have a whooping 50 million naira to your name.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Yes. I'm game. Okay.
Okay.
You know what? I'm gonna give you 4 children.
Okay.
A set of twin girls and a set of twin boys.
Whoop.
And each goes for 50 million naira, no discount.
Well, that set of 10 girls, so we might have a little bit change in it. Pay 30 million naira.
Make it 35, baby. 35.
So we're game.
Deal, Papa.
Madam Mabel, I want to ask you a sincere question, and I want you to be sincere to me. What kind of a lifestyle did you live in the past?
I don't understand.
Well, I want you to know that the kind of lifestyle we choose to live today will have either a positive or negative effect on us tomorrow.
Doctor, sincerely, I still don't know what you're getting at. I don't understand.
I want you to know that man is 98% responsible for what happens around him. Well, from the results, it shows that you are the cause of your barrenness.
What? Me? How? Oh, can I see the results?
Of course, here is the result.
Sweetest Nancy.
Are you sure?
Of course. You were so sweet. Are you dripping in juice?
Oh, please, leave me alone.
I'm not leaving.
Leave me alone.
So if I leave you, all I hold. Nobody.
Oh, stop! Sounds nice, anyways. I really don't like this hide and seek game we're playing. You know, it feels somehow making love to me here all the time. Listen, we need to go to somewhere more conducive, somewhere you can relax and, make love to me, feel my body, get to feel yours, you caress me, kiss me passionately, somewhere we can have good quality sex.
Yeah, but you have a point. You get, but what matters is the best sex comes with quickie. You get, whether planned quickie or unplanned quickie, and what matters is the sperm actually went inside of you.
Exactly. We are saying the same thing, baby. Listen, we need to stay in a place where the sperm gets to swim swiftly, smoothly, and such place can't be here. Someone can easily barge in on us.
No. On that part of someone barging in on us, I had that settled already. Didn't you hear when I told my secretary I wouldn't be granting any meeting here? Just you and I here, all alone.
Feels you're not ready to have a child of your own.
Oh, look, why are you procrastinating on this? All I want you is to give me a child. Give us a child. That is what you should concentrate on. Widen your legs to accept the child, groom the child, give birth to the child, and I will make you the classiest woman ever in this town. Classiest, actually.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so...
Doctor, this is serious. What am I going to do?
Well, in as much as we know that staphylococcus is a very bad infection, it's also curable.
Okay.
In that case, we're going to place you on medication. We trust in God, He will do it. We cures and God heals.
God should just help me. God should just help me because this is ruining my marriage. I'm gradually losing my husband to waywardness. 4 years of marriage, not even one.
Madam, I think what should be bothering you is how to get cured. Believe me, once you are cured, your husband will get back to you.
So, doctor, when can we commence treatment?
Well, it all depends on you.
Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me.
So where am I having my baby shower? Is it Paris? Is it Dubai? Is it Singapore? Singapore is a very nice city. Yes, Singapore, baby. Oh my God.
Hey, all you have to do is have a child first and leave the rest for me.
I got you. I got you. You know what? I'm gonna give you 6. Yes, half a dozen. I'm gonna give you that. Yes. Oh my goodness. But you know what? We need to stop making out here. I don't like it. I mean, someone can badge in your nose and you know how embarrassing that can be.
Babe, look, nobody's gonna barge in on us. I said that to you before. I've told my secretary that I wouldn't be granting any meeting. Stop getting worried. Nobody will barge in on us. Okay?
Yeah, even at that, it's still not right.
Look, babe, can you stop this? This is my office. Okay? I can do whatever, however I want to do it in my office. Whatever I want to do here, I'm free to do it. It's my space.
Okay, listen. I have a suggestion.
Okay.
I think it will be best we, do it in my house.
Oh no, that's out of the option. Look, I can't come to your house. I'm like a golden fish in this town. Of course you know that. My dad is a big politician in this town, so I should know where I'm going. I can't come to your house. People will definitely recognize me. And that will make a headline.
Okay, but you can always come at night. Nobody's gonna see you.
Oh God, you're not kidding me. We should be thinking of how to go one more.
But I can't run away from me.
Focus. How? Why me? Why me? I thought I treated this in the past. I took care of it. I took drugs. I took injections. What am I going to do? The doctor said it has caused so much damages. Just say it's a child. Just say it's a child. I can't even give him now this.
I'm drowning. I don't blame you if you hate me. I don't blame you if you push me away. Why should I let you to suffer for the things you don't know about, things you didn't do? Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. Yeah, I can do this alone.
Why is this happening to me? God, please. I beg you. Please just show me mercy just this once. I need a miracle. Please, God, just forgive me for my sins of the past. Please.
Me, I took the green one. Let me see the one she's showing me. This yellow is fine now. Is it? It's fine. You can be paying small. What if she doesn't accept? Who's expecting anyone? I'm not expecting anyone.
Who is that? Come in.
Come in! Sha, you can pay small. Just give her something. I pray she accepts. So she will not sell it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look who we have here.
Neighbor baby.
Tonero. What's up? I'm fine. Look at you. How are you?
Theo.
How are you? Have you been now?
I'm good. Always beautiful.
Thank you.
Justina, how are you?
Hey, Tony. Longest time. Abio, longest time. Did you travel?
Not really. It's just that I've been very busy lately. But so this evening I told myself, Tony boy, why don't you go and check up on your beautiful baby? You know how she's faring?
Well, I'm doing alright.
I can say that. It's okay. Welcome. So thank you, Justina. So how is lectures now?
Oh, more is tough.
Yeah.
Lecture is tough, but we are on it.
It's alright. So how are you faring?
Thank God, though, we're fine. We're managing. Now, only money I no get.
Don't worry, baby. I'm here now. Okay.
Yay!
You know what? I'll take you out.
Yes. Is that what you're talking with the low tone?
Baby, I said I want to take you out.
Yes!
We're just gonna have some fun,
Alright, you know what? Let me grab my purse quickly and then we hit the road.
I've missed you so much.
Oh! You know what? I'm coming.
Waiting. I'm right here waiting for you. You're driving me crazy. Baby.
Hello.
Hey, Marital.
What's up?
I'm good.
What's up? You look good.
I'm fine, thank you.
Hi.
What's up, bro?
How far now?
I'm good.
So, how you doing?
I'm doing great, you?
Good. That's it.
Wow.
Hey, I'm ready.
It's alright.
Yeah, later now. Okay, now. Alright,
You're so stunning.
Alright, then.
Alright, Tina.
Alright.
See you right.
Alright. Except you're taking me out.
Okay. I will do that.
Oh.
Well, let's just finish why I am here.
Okay.
Yeah. Babe, honestly, that your friend, honestly, she's very beautiful. So, I like her. Can you help me and talk to her, please? Please.
Are you okay?
Of course. I'm okay. Honestly, she's the one I was telling you about. Please. Please.
Mabel.
Yes, Mabel. Yeah.
Well, sorry to disappoint you, but you have to talk to her yourself.
Babe, please. Help me and talk to her on my behalf, please.
Michael.
Yes.
Are you not a joker like this? No. Are you okay?
Of course I'm
See,
good.
please. I'm not in for this. I'm not.
Babe, please, help me. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Please, you have to.
Michael,
I love
please,
her.
You need to start going.
Yeah, I know.
Michael, please start going, please.
It's okay, I'll leave. Oh, please.
Can you go?
I'm sorry, I don't really...
Please leave.
I don't want to pay you. I'm sorry.
Michael, leave, please, leave.
Sorry. I'll come back. Just think about it. I'll come back. Okay?
Oh. It's okay. She was the one actually talking it. Can you imagine?
All I wanted was to be a university graduate. Yes, I did date multiple men in the past, but it was just to support myself through school because my father wouldn't support his own child through school, so I had to jump from one man's bed to another. And then I contracted this STD.
Mabel, you don't need to take it easy with the way you go about that. Do you want to scratch away your skin?
Scratching me, oh, it's scratching me. I couldn't even concentrate in class today.
You mean it itches you even in the lecture hall?
Everywhere, and I noticed that there's rashes around my private parts, and I have discharges.
Are you kidding me? What does the discharge look like?
Yellowish, smelling substance like that.
Mabel, I think you need to see a doctor, right? You need to treat infection.
Huh? Infection?
Yes. The causes of such discharge and rashes is majorly sexually transmitted infections like gonorrhea, syphilis, or staphylococcus.
What? Wait. Hey. What kind of wahala is this now? Somebody did not even see food money to eat very well, not to go to the doctor. It's my father that caused all these things. That is happening to my father is responsible. If he had just supported me from day one, I won't be jumping from one bed to another now.
Maybe I understand, but you need to go for the treatment before it escalates to something else.
You don't understand. If you don't understand what I'm going through, it's embarrassing. Itching up and down. It's not something you can understand though. I'm going to see a doctor.
Please, you have to. This is serious. It's very serious.
Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
You're here. I'm here. What fun?
You don't look good. What's the result of the test?
I have infection. Staphylococcus.
I know it was an infection.
Mine is very bad. The doctor said it's in a very bad stage.
All these men one gets to sleep with every day.
Bargain for this. I didn't bargain for all this. Growing up, I was a very bright student. And I had a dream of becoming a university graduate, but my father will not spend a dime on me. That is why I started hustling now, from one man to another, just to meet up.
Why? Because he feels that I'm a woman, and a woman's place is in her husband's kitchen. Can you imagine? That doesn't make sense.
I'm just tired of all this. Eh? One is infection, another spending.
We are two of a kind. My own case is different. My own parents wanted to train me in the university, but I lost them to the cold hands of death. I lost them the same day when I was in my first year. Their death devastated me. I was left with just two options. Either to drop out of school or to use what I have to get myself a certificate. But then, God showed up. Yes. My mother's brother is the one training me in school. Mabel, I want you to do me a favor. In as much as we are all guilty of one sin or the other, I want you to please stop double dating and concentrate on one guy, and always insist he use protection when sleeping with you.
Tony will not accept now. Tony won't accept. And you know Tony is my main sponsor. He pays my rent, he pays for school fees, textbook, all these small payments. He runs me generally. And I am very sure he's the one that infected me. Very
That's why
sure.
I said you should always insist on protection. You have a future. If you don't do something now, it's going to haunt you tomorrow. Yes. I can see you want to take your drugs.
Yes, so and there's so much.
Drugs irritate me. I think I will just be inside until you're done. I might throw up and I wouldn't like it.
Are you serious?
I hate drugs right from infancy, babe. Let me stay inside. Let me stay in your room, babe.
Okay.
This drug safe. Which one be this one again? One CD. Time CD.
I treated this infection. I treated it. Why is it back now? Why is it back now to haunt me and ruin my marriage? Why? I can't even give my husband a child. One child. And now he wants a child so bad. What am I going to do? I'm afraid of losing my husband to another woman. Josie wants a child. I can't give him one. What am I even living for? I'm just useless. Useless.
I've been haunted by my past, but I can't run away from it. Oh, how can I erase my past mistakes? Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning.
He's coming back home to his wife.
I'm drowning. Why should I let you to suffer for the things you don't know about, for the things you didn't do? Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. Yeah, I can do this alone.
Johnson, you think you can just walk out of this house and come back anytime you like and expect me to welcome you, right?
Since you cannot give me what I've been craving for, what do you expect?
Johnson.
Oh, yes.
You say that to me, your wife.
Oh, of course. You couldn't give me a child and you don't want me to get it outside. Who does that?
Johnson, that is a mean thing to say to your wife.
Then all you have to do is to mind your business so you don't get hot.
Oh, you mean I should allow you to keep jumping from one woman to another, right?
Well, that is not too much to ask.
Johnson, what I prefer is that you stick to one woman. Get her pregnant and bring back home the baby instead of exposing your family to various venereal diseases.
Oh. You mean you're okay for me to get married to another woman?
That wasn't what I said.
No, that's what I heard. You just said it.
What I said is that you get a girl pregnant and bring back home the baby.
Okay, so what happens to the girl?
I don't know.
Okay.
Johnson, we are not done talking. Wait.
So I was a bit busy when you called. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's late to call me. Because I should be with my wife. You're not supposed to call me now.
My husband and I have drifted apart due to infidelity. What must I do to have my husband back? I just have to do something to win his love back. For more than 4 years, I have married Johnson and I haven't even missed my period, let alone having a miscarriage.
You okay?
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention?
Hi, baby. My sweet Johnson.
Whoa, easy.
Come to the bed. I've got something special.
Something special, like what?
Come here. Let me show you what I've got.
Let me show you what you got.
I've been haunted by my past, but I can't run away from it. Oh, how can I erase my past mistakes? Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone.
My husband is keeping late night again. Why is he doing this to me? I don't even know the women he's gallivanting town with. This is all my fault. God, my only crime is not being able to give him one child. God, please forgive me. Forgive me and help me save my marriage.
I've been haunted by my past, but I can't run away from it. Oh, how can I erase my past mistakes? Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning.
Hello?
Hello, Johnson, where are you?
I'm somewhere.
Somewhere that doesn't have a name.
What do you care?
Of course I care. Johnson, I am your wife. Why are you treating me this way? Ain't you overdoing this?
Like I said, I'm somewhere. I'm busy.
Johnson, what happened to us? What changed? Johnson, please. It's been 4 years. 4 years of our marriage and you're just treating me as if I'm not a human being. Eh? This is not fair.
I don't know why you're trying to make issue out of nothing. It's not really necessary. Can I please call you later?
God is making an issue out of nothing, Johnson.
I never said you meant nothing to me or you mean nothing to me. Can we talk about this later?
Hello? Hello, Johnson? God, why? Why is this happening to me? Why?
4 years of marriage is crashing before my eyes and I am helpless. I have lost my husband. I have lost my once loving husband to cheating. I know I am not perfect. I have done some things in the past, but God, please. I don't even know what to do or how to get him back. There is nothing here for me anymore.
Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
Was that your wife?
Yes.
You don't have to.
No. You don't talk about my wife like that. Don't intrude, okay?
Anyways, I was taking you to Club 9 before.
Okay,
Yes.
that's exactly what you should go back to.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain?
Johnson, why are you doing this now, eh?
What am I doing?
Look at the time. Look at the time you're coming back home to your wife.
What's wrong with the time? The town is safe, nothing is happening.
Johnson, you're breaking my heart. This wasn't what you promised me.
Don't even go there. Don't even talk about promise at all. Because me, myself, this wasn't what you promised me. You promised me that we are going to have a very, very happy marriage. Where we will have children. I can remember we dragging about the name that will be our first son. We dragged about it's going to be a boy. He said no, it's going to be a girl. After that one, we dragged about name. I said his name will be Junior. He said no, he's Senior. I said his name will be Olamide. You said no, that he must be a Igbo name. That is Chijioke. Now, till now, we can't even boast of any child. Even dog baby, you can't even see.
I am not barren. There's still hope. Eh?
Don't even say that. Just sleep. Besides, we had an agreement too. So why are you now fighting yourself over nothing? Didn't we have an agreement?
Yes, I
You
said.
think it's easy for me to be there?
Johnson, I said you should go out and get a girl pregnant. Don't sleep around with the whole women in the city.
Who says I'm sleeping around with the old women? Is that what you're... This strength, I need strength for tomorrow. This thing I'm here saying is not part of it. Just go to bed. Don't bother me, oh. Don't bother me, oh. Don't just bother me, oh. Don't cry like mosquito in my ear. Just go to bed.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain? Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody.
I am just like a piece of furniture occupying some space in this house. My marriage has taken a nosedive. My loving husband is now something else. He has turned from good to worse. To spend quality time with me is now a problem because I can't stop wailing during lovemaking. I have failed my husband. I have equally failed his family. And I have failed myself.
How can I erase my past mistakes? Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help.
What's now? Stop that.
Baby, please. I need you. We need to keep trying.
You need me for what?
Baby, we have to just keep trying. I still believe in miracle. Okay, baby, just touch me, please.
Oh, stop now. Allow me to sleep.
Baby, what is all this now? Why are you punishing me?
What do you mean, what is all this?
Am I some piece of wood? Let's just... Please.
Look, don't try this tonight. Don't be disturbing me while I'm sleeping. What a long day at work. What's the need of doing what we are doing when nothing will still happen?
Please just can't give up.
Please don't do that. I want to sleep. Don't touch me again. Let me not change it for you this night.
I don't blame you if you hate me. I don't blame you if you push me away. Why should I let you to suffer for the things you don't know about, things you didn't do?
Morning. Baby.
What?
It's morning.
Huh? Morning?
Yes, and you have to prepare for work. I would go run your water. Would you like lukewarm or...
it's hot water. Thank you.
Babe, I've been thinking.
Thinking about what?
That maybe we should try herbal medicine. It could help.
You said that to her?
Babe, you're running late. Your food is ready.
I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm late already.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain? Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody.
Mabel, she's a nice woman though. Just that she hasn't given me a child yet. I have treated her so unfairly because of her inability to give me a child. After 4 years of marriage, I have betrayed the love we once shared. I promised her my unconditional love, but now I have drifted away. I still love my wife. No other woman will take her place in my heart. She has showed me her unflinching love, irrespective of what I keep doing to her. But I want a child. I want children. I wish she becomes the mother of my children. That beautiful creature.
It's so sad when you give your all, but no one cares. Ooh, yeah. Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know. Yeah. How do you feel when your love is taken away? tell me now? Oh, would you tell me now? I wanna know. Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? Would you tell me now? I wanna know. I wanna know. How do you feel when your love is taken away? It's so painful. Would you tell me now? Yeah. I wanna know. Oh, yeah. What is love? When a woman loves, she loves for real.
Please get the stuff at the back seats, okay?
Make I open the door.
I will just open this door. This door back behind me. I get the leaves there.
Make I follow you.
I've been haunted by my past, but I can't run away from it. Oh, how can I erase my past mistakes? Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I don't blame you if you hate me. I don't blame you if you push me away. Why should I let you to suffer for the things you don't know about, things you didn't do? Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. Yeah, I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Do this alone. My world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. My world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Oh yeah.
Hello, Mabel. How are you?
No, mommy, I am not fine.
Mabel, I've told you to leave everything in the hands of God. He is your maker. He that gave you a husband, will he not give you children?
When? Hey, mommy, when is God going to give me a child? It's been 4 years of marriage. I haven't even been able to take in, let alone have a miscarriage. I'm exhausted. I'm tired.
Mabel, don't yield to hopelessness. You are still very much young, okay? Anyways, I called you to find out if you later go to the woman I recommended for you.
Yes, mommy, I'm just coming back from there. As a matter of fact, the herb she gave me is cooking on fire right now.
Oh, that's a good start. And make sure you take those herbs according to her prescription, okay?
I will, ma.
See, if I haven't seen so many women who took him by visiting that woman, I wouldn't have recommended her to you. Honestly speaking, she is good at what she does. Yes, she's good.
I hope it works for me. I just hope it works for me.
By God's grace, everything will be fine.
Okay, mommy. Thank you so much.
Alright, just take care of yourself.
Okay. Bye. What a nice woman. God just blessed me with the best mother-in-law on this planet Earth. She takes me like her own biological daughter. God, please, just bless me with one child. Let me give her a grandchild. Let this help just work for me. Bikono.
Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Okay, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Just in a minute. Yeah, come to the office now.
So you sent for me?
Yes. So please sit. You're looking good today, I must say.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, you're always looking good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, ever since you started working here, I have been,
I'm not comfortable with the way you're seated, sir.
Why? Why are you not comfortable? I'm your boss, remember? So you should feel free, okay? Okay. I want to sit close to you. Look at you eyeballs to eyeballs, so we have a swell discussion.
Sir, stop. Sir, what are you doing?
Why are you telling me to stop? Don't you like it? Look, all you have to do is to relax, okay? Allow us to, get to know each other, get in there anytime I want, and I will turn your life around. How about that?
What about your wife and your numerous side chicks?
Hey, you don't have to worry about my wife, okay? All you have to care about is how to give me a child. And your reward comes to you. Heavy reward.
Are you looking for a child?
Yeah. So, if you want to give me a child, you have a heavy reward, a heavy bank account, you know what I mean? Okay? For us to get started, just give me her account number. Call your account number for me.
00318.
Oh, good. I see someone is doing it already. 00318
52778.
52778.
Stanbic.
Good. Stanbic. Okay. And, yes, I just transferred 500,000 for the start.
500,000 naira.
Hey, don't make it look like it's a big money. This is just a token.
So for what exactly?
Like I said, you don't want to give me a child, and I'll turn your life around.
What is love? without patience, without trust, without hope. What is love? Without attention, without forgiveness, without pain. Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know.
What? What is this? Johnson! What kind of embarrassment is this? Johnson, I keep telling you, I keep warning you. Now look what the bloggers are writing about our family. Johnson, this is a mess. This is a huge mess. Miss, warn him, but he won't listen. He just keeps forgetting the son of whom he is.
What is love? Without patience, without trust, without hope. What is love? Without attention.
You know, I didn't know what I've been looking for in Sokoto. It's right under your Shokoto in my office.
I don't understand what you mean.
You're the sweetest girl I've ever had. Wow. So you're just sweet. I've been bringing file every morning and off and on. Why didn't you give me a signal that I'm sweet?
Did you ask for it?
I'm sorry.
But wait, what about the wife?
Hey, look, I don't want us to be talking about my wife, okay? Just leave my wife out of this. Concentrate on giving me a child, like we said. Okay, just give me a child and the whole world is yours. Okay? Okay.
We're still in the office.
I don't want to know. Of course, we've done two already. Let's do one more.
I don't want another one.
Yes.
You're getting so obsessed with sex. Relax.
Of course, let's try from the back.
Oh my God.
I'm admiring myself.
I'm not happy at all.
What happened?
There is this news making the rounds all over social media about our son Johnson sleeping with virtually all the girls in Abuja, all in the name of trying to have a baby.
What? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Sweetheart, you know I can't joke with something as sensitive as this. They even listed the names of several girls that he has slept with.
My goodness gracious.
Does it mean you've not been online today?
No, I've not.
It's all over social media. Look at it. Let's look at it.
My goodness.
Bloggers.
What is this?
Johnson knows that I am a politician. He is aware that I am nursing the ambition of becoming the next president of this country. He knows that my political opponents can use this, and if, as a matter of fact, will use this against me. Yet he has done this nonsense. Now it's all over the place. Bloggers are carrying it. It has gone viral.
Why is Johnson obviously trying to prove he is not responsible? Why? What is this? You know what, sweetheart? I'm going to call him right away.
Oh yeah. Wow. This Priska of a girl is really, really sweet. Huh? Of course, we have to be doing this all the time. There's no way I can leave this sweet girl just like that. Huh? Wow. Wow. Really wow. Really, really wow. All I need is just cold juice. Pineapple juice, rather.
Hello, Johnson.
Hello, Mom.
What kind of madness that has taken hold of you?
What's going on, Mom?
You dare ask me lame question? Listen, no child of mine will bring disgrace to this reputable family of mine.
No, because I need to know why you're sounding the way you're sounding. Did my wife report anything to you?
Leave your wife out of this.
No, because I know she has a wide mouth. All she does is painting me black before you and Dad. And that's crazy.
I just said you should leave your wife out of this. This has nothing to do with my daughter-in-law at all.
Oh, you've not seen anything wrong with her? You've not seen anything wrong with Mabel ever since I married her? All because she's your sister.
Johnson, your father is here. We need to see you right away.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you people. My day is already set out. I have a whole lot doing. Like I said, I'll see you guys much later. But today is out of it.
What is this? I don't get it. Johnson is still very young to have children. What has come over him?
Sir, close for the day. Meanwhile, this is the proposal. Don't type in it.
You see, I'm not going to ask how your day went because I know we've practically been together almost all through the day. And it's been an awesome feeling.
It's okay, sir.
Oh no, I don't want you addressing me as sir. Call me your baby. We're one now, right?
Okay, fine.
Okay. So yeah, all alone in this complex, I guess. Everyone has gone home. So let's spend some time together.
Wait, I have to go home.
No, you don't have to go. You see, thinking of you gives me perennial insomnia.
Oh, please. Look, I know you're drowning in the ocean of infidelity. I need to go home. It's getting late.
No, you cannot go. You cannot go.
This food is getting cold. Johnson is at it again. I'm sure he's in the arms of one of his numerous girlfriends. With the whole news flying on social media about his illicit affairs, he doesn't care. I've given up on him anyway. Tired to bed.
How can I erase my past mistakes? Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning.
I'm tired of covering Johnson. I'm tired of Good Good evening, Mommy. Mommy, my husband is not home. He's not back yet. As a matter of fact, Mommy, I have come to develop thick skin for Johnson's recent behavior. It is well, Mommy. I will, Ma. Thank you, Ma. Good night.
Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
You are just so sweet. The drip is real. Look, I just feel like making you my wife, honestly.
You keep saying that.
I need to be having this sweet thing all the time. All the time, anytime I want it. Under my roof, you know. Okay, so tell me what you want.
Okay. My salary is 70,000 naira.
Your salary? Okay, I'm giving you an open check.
I want an increment.
An increment you shall have. You're going to receive double amount of the money you earn.
Are you serious?
Oh yes.
Thank you.
Granted. So 150,000 naira is your salary, girl.
Thank you.
As long as you keep being sweet, dripping and drip, dripping and drip. And that's not all. I'm going to get you a car.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh my God, thank you. All of this for me.
All of this for you. See, why do you keep bottling up an age?
We have to go home.
No, we can't go. I don't feel like going.
No, we have to.
No, we don't have to go. Okay, let me help you with the bottle. Why you keep bottling it all the time?
Stop.
Let me remove it.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain? Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know. How do you feel when your love is taken away? Would you tell me now? I wanna know.
Mom called. She said she's called you severally and you haven't been picking up. Same with Dad. Your food is at the dining. Good night.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain? Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know. How do you feel when your love is taken away? Would you tell me now? I wanna know. What is love? When I wanna loves for real.
Just look at the man I have turned out to become because of childlessness. I have trashed out my beautiful wife like a piece of trash. She goes through emotional trauma in my hands. I haven't been a good husband lately. All these girls I sleep with, they're prettier than my wife. Of course, they are not prettier than my Mabel. Even my parents doted on her. It's weird to be on the contrary. Maybe I'll do the same thing I'm doing right now to her. The answer is capital no.
What you did out there is preposterous. It exceeds all logical description. It underscores the level of madness that has completely overwhelmed you. How could you?
God, I'm equally downcasted with the things I'm seeing. I honestly don't know what is wrong with all these bloggers. They keep fabricating stories. They keep writing stories you're not even sure of. I'm going to sue them. I am going to sue those blogs for defamation of character, and I'm not joking.
I'm going to sue them for defamation of character. Can you hear yourself? Now let me warn you. No child of mine will turn himself into a nymphomania. Have you forgotten that I am nursing the ambition of becoming the next president of this country? Have you?
Johnson, how could you? How could you tint the image of this reputable family?
Mom, I don't like the fact that you both are scolding just me. What happens to Mabel? Mabel is the cause of all this. If she had given me a child, all these things wouldn't be happening.
Johnson, are you not ashamed of yourself? Don't try to blame your infidelity on that poor girl, Mabel. Do you know how long it took us to have you as a child?
Oh, he has no idea.
Let me tell you. Your mother had 6 girls before you. At a point, my friends were advising me to marry another woman that could bear me a son. But I refused. Do you know why? I love my wife.
Johnson, a cheating husband will always cheat on his wife and look for a sweet name to tag his stupidity in order to suit himself. Now my son's promiscuous lifestyle is all over the social media, and so many girls are fighting themselves just because of you.
Can you just imagine Johnson? This is the same Johnson that came to us, telling us that he had found his missing rib. I'm in love. Please give me your consent. And we did. What is happening now? The same girl that you professed your ordained love for is the one you are passing through an unbearable emotional torture.
Honestly speaking, Johnson, if a soothsayer had told me that you'd be treating Mabel this way, I wouldn't have believed him. This is the same girl you used to worship the ground in which she treaded on. What changed?
Changes, Mom.
Changes? Rather than looking for a solution to your problem with her, you abandoned her all to her fate.
Mom, look. You can't just call that abandon. You don't know what went down, okay? There's an understanding. Mabel pushed me into what I'm doing now. She practically told me to get a girl pregnant outside our matrimonial home. It's a discussion we had, so don't make it look like it's not like that.
Johnson, you cannot convince me. Yes, I know Mabel very well. She said that because we are pushing the whole blame of your childlessness on her. Yes.
I think so.
I know so.
I've been haunted by my past, but I can't run away from it. Oh, how can I erase my past mistakes? Now it's coming to me. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. Yeah, I can do this alone. I can do this.
Johnson, it took your elder sister Rose 7 whole years to have her first set of twins. Her husband did not abandon her. Together they waited upon God, and God did it. Why not wait upon God?
Mom, I have waited upon the Lord as well. 4 years is not 4 days. Okay? And must what happened to Rose happen to me?
Why not? Why wouldn't it happen to you? Eh? The ambition I've been nursing for so many years just went down the drain. All because of who? You.
Dad, why do I feel like this whole thing is about your political career? You don't even care how I feel. You don't even care about my happiness. I have been married for 4 years and nothing to show for it, and you think I should just relax and be happy? Am I supposed to just relax without doing nothing? I waited for 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year, and the 4th year. This is the 5th year. I'm me struggling to have a child. Keep talking about your political career, where barrenness has eluded my family.
Mabel is not barren. Yes, like you know. So many people tagged Rose, your elder sister, barren, but God proved them wrong. You saw it happen, right?
Look, Mom, we are one happy family. You both are my parents. I'm not supposed to tell you this, but I have to. Mabel lived a promiscuous life back in school.
Really?
And that affected her womb.
Really? So, you are just knowing about it?
You know, Father, you don't know these things when you start up marriage. You don't know it. It's as time goes on, you get to understand it.
Jensen, you have to accept whatever life throws on you. Yes, you don't run away from your problems. You face your problems squarely. Nobody has ever solved a problem by running away from it. Don't run away from your problem.
I'm not running away. I'm still in that house. I just wish all of this didn't happen in the first place. I just wish.
The least you could have done is to find solution together. I mean with her.
Mom, you think I've just been folding my hands doing nothing? I've done that in the 1st year, I've done that in the 2nd year, the 3rd year. Of course I have. I have.
By sleeping with all the girls in Abuja, right?
What do you have with Abuja girls?
Keep it quiet!
My life is in a mess right now. Everything that I've worked for. Mabel is just the cause of this. Now she's making everything look like I'm a bad person, reporting me to my parents. What do I do? If she had given me a child, will all this still be happening? Will I choose to be promiscuous? This is not what I want for myself.
Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? Would you tell me now? I wanna know. Yeah. How do you feel when your love is taken away? It's taken away. Would you tell me now? Oh, would you tell me now? I wanna know. Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody.
Let me look at this one you're talking about. It was the brown one you sent before. Send it now. Let me
Mabel!
I thought you'd be in the office.
Oh, cut the pretense!
What is it?
Swear that you don't know the reason my parents called me.
I don't understand, babe.
Mabel, do you have to sell your husband out just like that? No, what do you stand to gain? What for? Is it jealousy or what?
Jealous. Jealous of what exactly? You wanted a baby so desperately that you never cared about how it made me feel or how I felt. And I still let you have your way. What is it?
So now that the news of your husband is all over on social media for infidelity, you're happy now? No, you are happy. I'm asking you. It was all your fault. You couldn't give me even if it's one child. If you had given me a child, will I be outside looking for how to get a child?
Vincent, just hear yourself. How is this my fault? I told you to go out there and get someone pregnant, have a baby. Not jump from one woman to the other, not to become promiscuous. You brought this upon yourself, so do not blame me for it.
I feel so ashamed of myself.
Yes, you should. You messed up. You messed up everything. You became so promiscuous. You kept jumping from one woman to another. Weren't you thinking about social media at that time?
No, it was entirely your fault.
Oh, my fault. Johnson, it's such a shame that you allowed my inability to give you a child turn you into this man that I do not know. You became something else. This is entirely your fault, not mine, okay? You messed up big time.
I don't want your sympathy.
Look, no matter how you look at it, this is your fault. You have messed up your father's name. Senator Badmore's political ambition is about to be ruined if not ruined.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain? Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know.
Hello, handsome. Why are you looking all gloomy today? Hope you don't have any confrontation with your life.
Let go of me.
What is it? Look, all I'm trying to do is just to ease you up. You know?
Look, I'm not in the mood for this right now.
What is it? What's wrong with you?
My life is in a mess.
And I hope I'm not the one messing up your life because I can only give you joy.
Look, we are in a compromising position right now. Someone might just barging us.
Are you expecting a visitor?
This is an office open for business, right?
Oh, I should have known.
Yeah.
Maybe one of your bedmates are coming over.
I have told you 1,000,000 times to concentrate on us, right?
I wish I can just get pregnant. And just stop all this madness. I mean, why would one man be having an affair with a lot of girls? And now the news has his infidelity all over social media. And he still will not stop. And where do you think you're going to?
Are you so daft?
Nancy or whatsoever stupid name you have. Do you realize that this is an office? And not your hotel suite? Do you know that?
I can see you are raving madness. But don't worry. I will help you lose your job. No, just relax, okay?
Fool. You ugly stinking maggots. All you guys do is run around a married man. You know they tire. Eh?
You know, I have seen cheap holes like you. And there is only one explanation as to how silly you are behaving right now. And that means you've started sleeping with him, right?
What exactly is wrong with these two? Fighting over a married man? What the hell has come over them? Dragging what is not yours. Just stop and continue with your life. Don't you fight over it?
Just like every other girl, you want to give him a child. But I'm sorry to bust your bubbles, my darling. I am 2 months pregnant for him.
Nancy pregnant?
Oh yes, so please get your ass off my way.
No, you go nowhere, you silly ass.
Get yourself out of this.
I said she's down! I'm going with you and let me lay my hand. Johnson! Leave me, please.
Just forget about her.
Really?
Yeah.
Why shouldn't I? After all she did and said to me?
You know, she's my wife's younger sister. Okay, she's doing what she's supposed to do. Don't take that to heart, okay? She shouldn't give you a headache for nothing.
I don't get it. You mean that barren witch of yours you're calling wife sent her younger sister to monitor your movement in your office?
Yeah, that's basically what I've been seeing these days, you know. She's been on my case. She's been monitoring my movements from the phone calls to who I'm talking to where I'm going. So annoying. You know, ever since the social media stuff popped up, she's been monitoring my case. So annoying. So that's by the way. So baby,
What?
I overheard something.
What did you hear?
Tell me that wasn't a joke.
What?
I overheard you saying that you're pregnant. Is that true?
I am pregnant.
I'm about to be a father soon.
Yes.
So is that why you couldn't knock? How dare you barge into my office like that?
Get your filthy self out of this office. Oh, please! Don't you dare yell at me. Because I here have equal right to this man.
Johnson, what is she talking about? What is she talking about?
Oh, you're not gonna say anything. Oh, you're not gonna tell her that we were having sex all around this office yesterday till 9 p.m.
Just wait a minute.
No, you go ahead and tell her.
You are so shameless. So with all the thing going on social media, you still have the nerves. You still have the nerves to soak yourself in the pants of this swine.
No, please don't you dare call me names.
Please. Johnson, are you sleeping with your wife's younger sister?
my friend? Are you sleeping with your wife's younger sister?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Did I hear you say his wife's younger sister? Johnson. No. Is that what you told her? Excuse me, young lady. I am not in any way related to his wife. Nor am I his wife's younger sister or whatever. Please get yourself out of this office.
Of course, it's festive season and you know the ladies want to look beautiful.
So, when are you coming out to house of my beauty sister?
Well, I am indisposed at the moment, but my girls are there to give you the best treats.
Please, I want to be handled by Madam, so.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm really occupied, but very soon I'll be out of it, alright? Alright then.
There's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Okay, what's that?
Our husbands will not stop embarrassing us.
Look, I wouldn't want to talk about that, alright?
Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
Leave my office now.
I'm not gonna leave until she does.
Oh, please, you heard it! Leave!
And what are you going to do? I am going to personally throw you out of this office right now.
Oh, if you try it! Remember, get out! If you try that, just come to it out!
Babe. There's something I've been meaning to tell you.
What is it?
You know, there's this my old friend that I bumped into some time ago. So we got talking and what happened and you know, she got pregnant for me. So she's 3 months gone at the moment.
Really?
Yes.
As long as it makes you happy, I'm fine.
Really?
When are you bringing her home? I mean, when can I see her?
I just thought I should let you know first. Before anything.
Oh Lord, I'm calling for your help. I can do this alone. I can do this alone. Oh, my world is falling down on me. I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
So, you mean you've already told her?
Yes.
Okay. And what did she say?
Well, she has no option.
Okay, so by that you mean she has accepted the pregnancy?
Well, she brought the idea in the first place, so...
Oh, she must be so desperate. I understand. Barren woman.
Watch your tongue.
Oh, you've already started shunning me. Whatever, please. So, when am I seeing my co-wife?
This is the girl I told you about. The one that is pregnant for me. Her name is Nancy.
Hello, Nancy.
Hello.
So, you know, as we agreed, I decided to bring her over for you guys to, meet and introduce her formally to you.
Okay.
Nancy, my wife, the woman after my heart, the love of my life, the air I breathe, my world. Her name is Mabel.
The pleasure is mine. This is a mistake we have to fix, right? Nancy, I love this man very much. His happiness is my top priority. If this will make him happy, then it's okay.
Babe.
I hope you will not give me a problem in this house.
Me? Did you tell her that I'm a troublemaker?
No, she's just telling you.
I'm not. Come on.
You know, I am pregnant. And I need to spend quality time with him. You know, there's a way this pregnancy thing works.
You may not really understand because, no offense. But, sometimes the baby whispers things, when you start kicking and say, I want to spend more time with daddy, I want to spend more time with papa, stuff like that. You really won't understand.
I understand.
Yeah.
We'll share the space together, okay?
Great. Yeah.
Baby, thank you so much for understanding.
It's okay. Nancy, when are you moving in with us?
Babe, that's not part of the plan.
Come on, it's okay. She's pregnant and she needs all the comfort and care.
No, baby, that is not what we agreed. Nana said she has to come in and stay. That's not just...
It is fine.
Sorry. I can move in right now. I don't mind.
Now?
Of course, right now. What are we still waiting for? Come on. I guess it should be very big and the mattress everywhere.
Show me the room. Come. I guess it should be the master's bedroom. Yes. Very big mattress for the three of us, right? Come, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
I'm not comfortable with this. This is not the agreement. We only said she will come present herself and leave. That was it. It's okay.
Darling, yes. My phone is hanging.
Why now? Is your phone fake?
How can you say that?
Your mine is the latest one. I see.
It's because I have too much of it.
Sweetheart, I wanted to ask you, that murder case, how is it going?
Darling, some people can be very crazy. How can someone murder a woman that practically picked her up from the gutter and gave her a life? It beats my imagination.
My dear, so many things are happening these days that you can't just imagine. I don't understand. Kill a fellow human being. How? When I cannot even cut chicken. Hey,
darling, the victim brought in the woman and husband into her home, gave them a roof over their heads, feed them, clothed them, and even enrolled their 2 children in a school. Yet, they conspired and killed her.
For what? Because of material things. Eh? They made away with her money, her cars, her credit cards, and other documents.
Honestly, I really do not understand this life at all.
This and many more they do. Yet they blame government for everything. Every time government is not doing this, government is not doing that. Yet you give them a small opportunity, they abuse it.
Husband and wife killed the kind-hearted woman that helped them and buried her corpse in a sockaway. Can you imagine?
Unimaginable. I don't understand. So what this means is that you can't be good to people anymore? I mean, you can't be of help to people that need help?
Honestly, you need to hear these people in the courtroom pushing the whole blame on the devil.
That is the bane of Africa in particular. I don't understand. They do something with their clear eyes, the next thing they say is the devil, is the devil. The other day, a man went and slept with another man's wife. At the end of the day, when they were caught, say, it's the work of the devil, oh, it's the work of the devil, oh. I don't understand.
Anyway, in this case, whatever they like, let them say. All I know is that they must be brought to book.
Death by hanging. That is what they deserve.
You can say that again.
I'm not trying to influence you.
What are you saying?
This is just husband and wife discussion. But to be honest, they deserve to die.
But you just said the truth.
Hi.
Yeah.
But mommy, pick up fast. I can't wait to share the good news. Hello, mommy.
Hello, Mabel.
Mommy, how are you?
I'm good.
Very fine, thank you. How is Daddy?
He's fine. As a matter of fact, he's seated right here with me.
That's very good. Mommy, I am so excited. The Lord has finally done it. I have good news.
Oh, I can sense that from your voice. What has the Lord done this time for you?
Mommy, we are expecting a baby.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jesus. That means you're pregnant.
No, Mommy, I am not pregnant. But Johnson impregnated a young lady.
What arrant nonsense.
Mommy, look. Let's at least be happy. A baby is coming into our lives. Hello, Mommy, I'm still here. Hello? Hello?
Darling, Johnson just got a girl pregnant.
What? Johnson did what? How?
Mabel, you can never cease to amaze me. How could you have accepted that? And she's even happy.
This is it. This is the height of irresponsibility. No, I will not accept that girl. That girl can never be part of my family. It's not possible. How? Oh, Johnson, you've done this time.
I'm the happiest man right now.
I know. I mean, I know what it feels like to be married for how many years now without a child? Nothing to show for?
4 years of emptiness. I can't imagine that. But I'm glad all of that will be history soon.
Exactly. But then, I wonder, I mean, she ought to have gotten pregnant
Hey,
by
you
now.
don't talk about my wife. I'll just tell you this.
Drop it there and get out. Hello, come back. Come back here.
Babe, she's gone already. But that was harsh.
She walked in here and he's at you. Obviously not me because I must smack her down.
Oh, but I know, but I'm still letting you know here is an office. You have to respect that.
Whatever.
Oh, God.
What was that?
her playing all high and mighty, all over the moon. Something my boss's wife will never even do. I should have acted faster. I should have gone ahead one of them. Well, who knows? By now I should have been the one pregnant for my boss's baby. But wait. How am I even sure she's pregnant? Anyways, even if she is, how am I sure my boss is responsible? He's so hot. I mean, such a cutie. I love him.
This act of irresponsibility is unacceptable. What kind of thing is this? I married only one wife. My father married only one. How can that legacy change in the time of Johnson? How?
Darling, this is a slap on our faces.
A big slap. Now, that girl will not be accepted. No matter what she represents, no matter who she is, she can never be part of the family. She cannot be my daughter-in-law. Not possible.
I wonder why Johnson wants to paint us black. This is a family of repute, respected by all and sundry. Now he wants to drag our family name to the mud.
Can you imagine that? The son of a senator and a justice becoming irresponsible? How? That means we didn't bring him up well. That's what he's telling the whole world.
Wait. So he wants us to accept the girl he got pregnant from nowhere with open arms? Is that it? No, it doesn't work that way. Darling, you know what? You need to call him and invite him over right now.
You're right. Yeah, Johnson. You need to see me right now. Immediately. Don't keep me waiting.
Can you imagine? How can he get someone pregnant from nowhere and expect us to open our arms and welcome her?
I don't understand. I mean, he needs to explain this kind of irresponsibility to me. He needs to come here.
Is this what Mabel has been going through?
You can just imagine the kind of emotional torture that he's putting this poor girl through.
I feel for Mabel.
No. Oh, poor Mabel. Okay, let him come.
Oh, baby, are you sure everything is alright?
Well, I wouldn't know until I get to the family house.
Okay then, so let me come with you.
No, not now. I should go, get everything ready, then I'll come pick you. I think it's better off like that. So just get ready. I'll come pick you.
Okay.
Unlike Mabel said, you don't need to be doing the public transport thingy. You don't need to be jumping keke. Okay? I would want you to be in a reserved environment, where you will have rest of mind. Because I wouldn't want my son to pass through all of that stress of, so.
I know. Okay.
Then again, my wife is my life. When I mean my life, she is everything that I have ever prayed for. She is everything to me. She is my world. Okay? She accepted you to come live with us because she wants the best for you, because she wants you to have a safe delivery where you don't have to pass through all of that stress. No woman can actually do that, No woman can take that. But here she is, making sure that you're fine. Okay? So then, did I tell you that my family, like my siblings, okay, they are crazy about her. They are crazy about her peace of mind. They love her with everything in them. Why I'm telling you this is, when you eventually make it to that house, I want you to respect her. I want you to accord her that respect as the queen of that kingdom. You get that?
Yeah.
I'm telling you all of this because if you fail to respect yourself, my mom, the chief magistrate, Deborah Badmoss, will kick your ass out. For sure. Okay?
Okay, fine. It's all about respect. I mean, you're making it sound like I'm a troublemaker.
Oh, because I know how jealous you guys can be. Okay? So when you come in there, respect my wife with everything in you. You're just there to give birth.
I have heard you. Okay, fine. I will respect her. Fine.
Okay,
You're making it sound like I'm a troublemaker. Of course I'm not. I'll respect her, okay? Fine.
Okay, respect her while you get your money. And that'll be the end of it.
Thank you.
So let me get my things ready and prepare for your arrival. See you in a jiffy. I'll just put it in the bag in the car. Let's go. Want help?
Baby, is it please? You know I'm pregnant. Gosh. I feel so used. He can't possibly choose her over me. No. I'll have to put up a fight. Even if that's going to be the last thing I'll do, I have to get him back. Gosh.
So, babe, you get a taxi from here.
I don't get it. Why are you stopping here? Are you not supposed to take me home?
Babe, we're not supposed to be seen together. Eyes are flying. You never can tell. Someone might be here recording. You don't need that.
What are you even saying? What are you talking about?
Baby, let's not make issue out of nothing. You understand these things.
Understand what? Eh? I'm carrying your child. And you expect me to walk under this hot sun?
You're not walking under the sun. You just need to stay here and request for a taxi. Just request for a taxi. That's all. You're not staying. Look, babe, you know now. The news are already making waves on social media. I don't need more of that. That is not supposed to be like that. Okay, we're meant to at least keep ourselves now. Let's achieve what we're looking at.
The fact is that I don't understand you. Is it that you are ashamed to identify with me or what? Are you ashamed to?
How can I be ashamed?
Because I don't get it.
We're only being careful. If you know who my father is. I don't want to ruin his political career. So far, it's already affecting him that his son is doing this, is doing that, and it's not good for him. It's not good for his second tenure. People are already saying that he didn't do well in his first tenure, and now this.
It's okay, please.
Okay? Thank God. You're making me talk too much. That's what I'm trying to explain, for you to know that this is what we need to do. Okay?
I don't hear.
It's okay.
Give me transport, I bet money no go me.
It's fine. Let me make transfer to you.
Transfer?
Yeah.
Then I'm supposed to go to the ATM machine or look for POS stuff. Please, I beg, don't worry.
I'll
sort
send
myself
you
out.
500,000. Yeah. You don't need to go to the ATM. Just make transfers.
Oh, voila. Send the 500,000. Thank you.
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without patience? what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know. How do you feel when your love is taken away? Would you tell me now? I wanna know. What is love? When a woman loves, she loves for real.
Why do I feel this is all about the baby and not me? I know he loves his wife, but I'm the one pregnant for him. How could he have discharged me like that? Men and their ego. When he was busy enjoying the woman in me, it was sweeting him more. He forgot he has a pretty wife. He even forgot his father is a public figure. Now he's running away from bloggers. Nonsense. Anyways, be gallant. Enough.
When a woman loves, she loves for real. It's so painful when you give your love, but what you get in turn is hate. It's so sad when you give your all,
Sad for me.
but no one cares. Ooh, yeah. Tell me what you mean when you say you love someone.
Johnson Sheyi Badmus. Tell me, who is that girl that is pregnant for you? You think we wouldn't know? How dare you? What were you thinking?
Johnson, I am disappointed in you. Do you know who you are? Must you downgrade yourself to the level of sleeping with just any girl?
It's not what you think.
Okay, it's not what I think. Then let it out. Maybe we will understand.
Sheyi, you've gotten what you wanted, right? Congratulations. I personally pleaded with you. I begged you. I said, take things easy. Wait on God to fix things just as He fixed that of your elder sister. But no, my son engrossed himself in adultery, engaged in doing things, living the kind of life that the ears will find it very difficult to catch.
Hello, Dad.
Yes, son. How are you?
Yeah, we're good.
What of my daughter-in-law?
So, are you still flying from Lagos today?
Oh, yes. As a matter of fact, I'm at the business lounge waiting to board so that I can go to Abuja for the senatorial meeting with the president.
Oh, I see. Okay, that means I have to meet you up then.
Yeah, oh, yes. Say in another 45 minutes, I should be there in Abuja.
Okay. Alright, see you soon then.
Thank you. Look, Shay, I am a Christian. no matter the justification you give to your actions, I, Chief Badmus, will not subscribe to polygamy.
That's not a deal. I'm not getting married to Nancy. Nancy is just there to have a child for me, and that ends it. Just to have a child.
And you forgot that those girls are desperate. Just give them a pole. They want to pose with you.
No, Mom, we had an agreement. It's settled, sealed, recorded. Nancy is just there to be my baby mama. Nothing short of that.
Shay, I don't care what you do. I don't care what you agreed with someone or whoever, but let me warn you. I don't want anybody to do anything that will give my daughter-in-law stress. Is that understood?
She's my wife, remember?
You lie. Mabel is my wife.
Look at your wife here. She's my wife.
Shay, kile worry. What is wrong with you?
I'm a familiar, Jerry.
Let me tell you. Till tomorrow, Mabel remains your father's wife.
Benny.
You guys are just over pampering Mabel.
And that is because we love her so much. She's our wife.
She's barren though.
She is not barren. Mabel is not barren. They said something to your sister, but today God has proven that He is God. She is now a mother of 5 children. So don't say that again. Don't say that Mabel is barren. She's not barren.
Shay, I hope you are not nursing the idea of marrying that girl. If you do, you will see the other side of me that you've never seen before. Idiot.
That is not the deal. The deal is just to be my baby mom. Have a child for me and that's all. So can I get a congrat now?
For what?
I hope you are not nursing the idea of marrying that girl. If you do, you will see the other side of me that you've never seen before. Idiot.
That is not the deal. The deal is just to be my baby mom. Have a child for me and that's all. So can I get a congrat now?
For what?
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love?
What was the meaning of that?
Attention.
Huh?
Call what? I don't.
Now, why would you get my parents involved? Why? Why would you tell them about Nancy? What do you stand to gain? For them to applaud you or what?
No, babe. I was just so joyous. I had to tell them that the Lord has done it.
The Lord has done what? The Lord has done what? Why would you get them involved?
Babe, calm down. I had no ulterior motive. We're expecting a baby. I was happy.
Oh, God. You know, I've been thinking, what have you really done to my parents?
I don't understand.
No, because I've been thinking why they cannot do anything without involving you. What have you done to them?
Babe, I have done nothing to them. You know I'm a likable person. People just like me for nothing.
She's right. The very day I've set my eyes on her, I felt hopelessly in love with her.
Babe, sincerely, I didn't mean to hurt you. Babe.
I really don't know why I cannot have a swell discussion with my parents without talking about you. Oh God. Please.
I didn't mean any harm. Babe. Come on, eat. Your food is ready, oh?
Oh,
You don't have to. I mean, I'm only pregnant, not sick.
I will not allow you to cook in this condition. Yeah, I'm here. I'll cook for you. Just come, let me serve you. Oh?
You're so nice. I tell you, you're a nice woman. And I pray that God will bless you with your own child. And I trust Him. I know my God, He will.
Amen.
Please sit. I want us to talk.
Okay.
Have you gone for fertility test?
Oh. I have. I did that in my first year of marriage.
And what happened? What could be the problem for your infertility?
Infection.
Infection?
The doctor said I have infection.
You have infection? What kind of infection? Is it gonorrhea? Is it candidiasis? Is it syphilis? Is it staphylococcus? You have staphylococcus aureus. Oh, sorry, yeah? Does Johnson know about this?
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't know you have staphylococcus. I see. But why didn't you tell him? I mean, you can't hide such. Why didn't you tell him?
I'm afraid. I'm afraid it's going to ruin my marriage.
Oh, sorry. Are you taking, measures as regards to? It must have eaten very deep for you not to have gotten pregnant. But it's fine. There is nothing God cannot do. Nothing. Sorry.
Okay.
No wonder she is barren. She has staphylococcus. Why do I feel that she has lived a very dirty lifestyle in the past? If I have to let Johnson know about this, maybe he will quit from her and marry me instead. Yes, I have to do everything within my reach to destroy the existing love between them. I will have my chance with Johnson. I must have to.
Yeah, come in.
How are you?
What do you want?
What do I want? Babe, what's happening? What's happening to us? I mean, you're not even looking my way anymore. What's the problem?
Well, nothing is really happening. What is happening should happen, okay? The reason we had what we did in the first place is because I was in dire need of having a child. So right now that I have a child on the way coming, I don't think it's really necessary doing all of this.
Wait, babe. Don't you tell me that you are in any way thinking that Nancy's unwanted, stupid pregnancy is yours.
What do you mean by that?
Isn't it obvious? Huh? The pregnancy is not yours.
Okay, thanks for that. Can you kindly go back to your duty post? Go back to your office.
Are you serious?
What do you mean, what? Of course we had a deal. Okay? I transferred 500,000 naira to your account before we did what we did. So why are you acting as if We didn't have a deal.
So wait. So what happens to this 150,000 naira salary you promised me?
Well, I'm sorry, honey. That has been withdrawn. Your salary remains 70,000.
What?
Yes.
Hell no! Look, Johnson, let me tell you something. You think you can walk around, sleep with every other girl and get away with it? Johnson, you don't know me.
I'll take that as a baby threat. You know why? Because I did not rape you. We had an understanding, okay? We had an understanding. I paid you 500,000 and that was it. That was the deal.
You really don't know who you're talking to, right?
Of course, you don't know who you're talking to.
Johnson, it's clear you don't know me. You don't know who you're playing with. Because I will personally run you down the city. You don't just do something and get away with it. Come to think of it, all your sex dates with all your harlots, I have been on top of it.
Oh, now I see. I understand it very clearly now. You have been the brain behind this.
Oh, yes.
Wow, now it's clear why they say a man's enemy is a member of his household.
Oh, yes. I did all of it. And you should be expecting more from me.
You did all of that because of jealousy. You could have told me you wanted a glimpse of me. Maybe I could make you have that on a platter. But right now, bitch, you lose.
Johnson, you haven't had the last of me yet. Anyways, you can as well keep your job or you give it to that stupid Nancy of yours because I just resigned. Rubbish.
Just look at the man you have turned out to become. Your life has completely taken a nosedive.
Shay, for your information, we have seen the Nancy that you got pregnant. We were at your house. What I don't understand is, were you blind? I mean, were you so infatuated or you were engulfed by the spirit of excessive promiscuity, or you couldn't control your libido that you couldn't see the desperation in that particular girl?
Father, desperation or whatever you choose to call it, it boils down that she's pregnant for me. And that's exactly the aim of all of this.
Johnson, let me tell you something, in case you have forgotten. You see, any girl who is capable of destroying a home is not worth being a wife. She has no home training at all. She's desperate.
Mom, nobody's talking about wife here. I'm not talking about wife. I'm just telling you what she's here for. It's not wife.
I don't understand this thing about having a child. Why are you this desperate about having a child? I don't understand.
Dad, when you had our first daughter, my other sister, it turned out to be, I don't know, maybe it wasn't what you're looking for. You went for the first, you went for the second, you went for the third. You kept on searching for male child before you got me. So if you weren't desperate for having children, where did you kept on going?
Do you know how long it took us to get your elder sister? Do you?
Well, that's the same thing. But the fact is that you kept on working for it before God blessed you with children.
Wait, is this how you want to get your own?
Mom, he has blessed me already. She's pregnant. Let's just leave all of this, please. I don't know why you are capitalizing on my life. It's my life.
Anyway, let me warn you. You don't deprive a child, or rather you don't stop a child from developing big teeth, the incisor. So long as that child can develop big lips, Momo, to cover them.
Akilo Shele now. Familiar.
I tell you, my friend, do you know that some people will never smell pregnancy in their entire miserable life? You're asking me why? Because of the kind of lifestyle they lived in the past. They lived a very wayward lifestyle, and so they can never get pregnant. Some of them ended up contracting STD, very chronic ones, serious ones at that. Hello? Of all of this thing now? How of this thing?
Nancy, what was the meaning of that? Nancy, this is a very big house. You left where you were, came here to disturb what I was watching. Why now?
Are you blind? Did you not see me making calls? Are you not reasonable at all? By the way, let me even ask. Aside sitting down here or in the living room watching telly and pressing phone, what else do you do in this house? I mean, can't you be merciful for once to give your sweet husband a child?
You keep forgetting something, sweetheart. You keep forgetting that with or without a child, I remain Johnson's only legally married wife.
Okay, I know about that actually. And I also know that you are barren. You're barren.
Is that all you've got? Nancy, the fruitful girl, that is the only thing you can say to me, right?
I just pity you. But don't worry. Once I put to bed, once I deliver my child put to bed, yes, the dance will change. The music will change as well. Don't worry, I'm gonna play that to you. Things will change automatically.
Oh my God, you're such a stupid girl. Yes, you're so stupid. You came into my house, pregnant for my husband, and I allow you stay under my roof, feed you and take care of you. You think you run things now? You think you would decide what happens in this house? No, darling, you won't. If you'd ever in your life do what you just did this afternoon, I will send you and this your silly pregnancy out of my house.
Go and treat yourself. Go and treat yourself and stop blabbing, talking rubbish. Staphylococcus. Smelling sick.
Did she just call me that? I don't blame her. I don't blame her one bit. I blame myself. I blame myself for opening up to her, thinking she was sensible, thinking she was a human being. She is so mean.
Should I wait till infinity before the food gets ready? What is all this? I've been hungry, my baby and I, we're all hungry. Is it because you're barren, you've not taken in? Must you even be wicked at that? What is this? Mabel! Send me food though! I am hungry! I know what I'm saying. Because I will report to Johnson. I won't fail to report to him. I will report to him that you've been serving us since morning. What is all this? Please send my food. I've been here waiting for you to serve food. What are you? Are you cooking stone? What are you cooking in that kitchen? Serve us food though. I'm still waiting. Make it fast and bring it to me here. Rubbish. That you don't want to get done. Because I'm sending you.
So,
baby, I am so happy.
Why?
Because you are going to be a father soon. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to hold our baby in my arms. Your baby.
I just love the way you see life. Not all women will take this. I mean, that is what makes you exceptional, and that is why I love you. Think.
Baby, what are you doing?
I'm frying amala. What do you mean, what am I doing here? I should be asking you, what are you doing here?
I came to lie down.
You came to lie down where?
Is this not supposed to be bed?
Meaning what? Wait first, I'm asking you, meaning what now? What happens to your room? Huh?
The baby has been kicking. The baby needs the father to, just rub my tummy, oh yeah.
Can you stop this now? What's the meaning of this now? Go to your room now. What are you doing here? Telling me baby is kicking.
Baby is kicking. Baby has been kicking. Baby needs the father and the mother alone. That's what he said. You know this pregnancy stuff. There's the way the baby communicates with the mother. Me being the mother, I understand every language. Do you understand? So when the baby starts kicking like it's kicking, it sends signal. And right now, the baby wants to spend quality time with the father and the mother. That's all. That's all.
Can you...
Just come.
Leave me alone. Can you stop being dramatic? What's...
Please. I will just go to the guest room.
Go to which guest? Are you okay? Are you okay? Come. Look. Looks like you've forgotten. It's like you've forgotten our agreement. Huh?
It is not my decision. Left for me alone, what will I be doing in this room? I said, the baby, he said he wants to be with the father. He needs this father's love.
Not. Baby said when? When did you people discuss that?
Bleko called.
My friend, go to your room.
What's that? She doesn't leave me, I'll leave.
Leave to where? Where are you going?
Me, I'm leaving. You will not ask me where am I going. I will go. Ask me, I will leave.
Come. I don't like... What the hell is wrong with you?
Why you acting like this?
My friend, come on, leave me alone. What? See, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. You think I'm laughing? Why can't you follow the agreement?
This is agreement now. This is not agreement that puts me in this country. Come here.
Come, I will nod you. I'm not playing with you.
Babe, I want to start by apologizing for everything I put you through, for all the emotional
It's okay.
breakdown you had.
It's fine, babe. You don't have to beat yourself over this. Remember, I asked you to do this and you did.
Yeah. But even at that, it's not actually easy trying to balance it. And I didn't expect it was going to be like this. I was seeing it to be in a dual version form. Come to do what you're paid to do, and then you go without causing havoc.
It's alright. In no time she will deliver and then leave.
Can't just wait for her to leave.
Not so fast. You know, after she puts to bed, she has to stay a while, nurture the baby. You know?
Really? I was thinking we can always buy milk or...
Baby.
You know.
No. The mother is still alive. She has to breastfeed her baby. Okay? Besides,
wow.
I have something to tell you.
What is it?
I am pregnant. I know.
You already said I should let that go. So you don't have to pull up a joke to make me feel good.
Look at me. I'm serious. I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yes. Long before she even came, I just realized it.
Oh, baby. Oh my God.
We're going to have our baby.
Finally.
I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I've got confidence in you, Jesus. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I have confidence in you, Jesus. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. I have confidence in you, Jesus. I have confidence in you, Emmanuel. Omema Chineke omema ikene Chukwu ni o mere ekene ya o mekwara gị ọzọ. Omema Chineke na omema ikene Chukwu ni o mere ekene ya o mekwara gị ọzọ. Omema Chineke na omema ikene Chukwu ni o mere ekene ya o mekwara ya ọzọ. Omema Chineke na omema.
Smelling maggots. I mean, who are you even deceiving with this fake pregnancy? We all know it is fake.
We know!
Nancy, you and I are not co-wives. You are only here for business. Have my husband's baby and then leave my house.
I don't know why you derive so much joy in deceiving yourself. And I still wonder which doctor blew air inside your tummy. It will burst, oh. It will soon burst. I know what I'm saying. I know.
You are so pathetic. Low life.
Fool's dream. Have you forgotten you have staphylococcus? You have staphylococcus. I still wonder how you think we can buy into this fake air-blown baby bomb that you have. You have staphylococcus. You cannot take in. No man will even want to, stuff like that. Come on.
Deputy Jesus.
Assistant God.
You can't get pregnant. It's not even possible. I don't even know why I'm seated here wasting my energy having this conversation with you. I better go get my rest. And then, lest I forget, darling.
What are you forgetting?
Your days in this house are numbered. You would have this baby for my husband, and you would leave.
I have come to stay until death do us part. Until death do us part. Oh, Tafulokokusu. I have come to stay with Johnson. In case you've forgotten. Staphylococcus. That's what you have. Rubbish. Are you sure? Are you sure that pregnancy is not for real? Oh, no, it can't be. She can't take it now, she's barren. Yes, even Johnson confirmed it that she can't take it, she is barren. It can't be real. That thing is full of air. Yes, it's air.
Baby, has she delivered? Oh, thank God! God be praised. A baby girl. Okay, baby. It's fine. Alright, bye. Hey, God, thank you. What a miracle. We have a baby girl.
What do I do? I mean, I would have been long gone if not they insisted I stay here and win my child. But I can't stand her anymore. I can't stand her. Not after all I did to her, I called her names. I called her barren. Now the barren woman gave birth to a set of twin boys, bouncing baby boys, all to my shame. Oh no. I mean, she was actually nice to me. She was nice. And I turned against her immediately. She told me her problems. I used it against her. I mean, why am I even like this? Why?
I am tired of staying here. There is nothing left for me here. Hence, I should take my leave.
Hey, Nancy. You good? How's my daughter? Oh, babe!
My baby, my
baby.
my sugar! How are you? You're welcome.
Thank you, baby. How are my boys?
They're fine, sleeping upstairs.
Well, you have to let them awake. Tell them Daddy's back.
Babe, I know what it took me to put those boys to sleep. That's the only reason I'm able to make dinner. Be cool.
Okay, it's fine.
Alright, darling. Go upstairs, freshen up, and come downstairs and have dinner. Alright?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, babe. I've come to see you, so I demand you lend me your ears.
Okay. I'm all ears.
Good.
I have completed my own part of the bargain, which is giving you a child. Hence, I should take my leave.
Yeah, you should take your leave. I was actually expecting you to say this for some time, but I guess you just wanted to maybe stay around. So yeah, it was nice having you. It was nice having you around and doing this deal with you. I'm grateful, you know.
You still need to balance me up.
Balance you up how?
Pay me off. You need to complete my payment.
Is your brain on transit? Or it's cracked? Because I don't understand your problem right now. How am I supposed to balance you? Huh? No, how am I supposed to balance you? Have you forgotten the agreement? We had an agreement. You are the one that is supposed to balance me. Even if you want to talk about balancing, if it's balancing, you're the one that's supposed to balance me. Don't come here to just bone your face. If you need money, you should present it well, not to try to play me because we had an agreement. When you talk about balance, it's Balenciaga. Please just go. If you're done talking, like I said,
Please, I'm not done talking. If I'm leaving this house, I'm going with my baby. I'm going with my child. I can't leave her in this house with you people, please.
You're going with your baby. You're going with which baby? See, don't let me slap you. Don't let me slap you. What kind of stupid talk is that? You're going with which baby? Why you? Just leave here. Just go.
I can't leave.
I said just leave here now. Leave my room. Leave my room. It's obvious you've gone mad. What kind of stupid talking? Just try that nonsense first. Like you're very.
Nancy, dinner is served.
Hey, let's shake this. Lord, we thank you for this food. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Babe, you're already eating.
Babe, I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything today.
I'm so sorry. Come on, let me feed you. Like it?
Has she eaten?
No, but I did call her and she ignored me.
What's wrong with her?
I don't know. Ever since she knew I was pregnant, she changed.
Well, that's not our business, right? I'm really regretting my actions. I really don't know why I did what I did, you know.
Come on, baby, it's okay. We have a baby. Baby girl.
She's saying she wants to live with the baby.
What? No way! That's not gonna happen.
Of course, that's not gonna happen.
Of course. Okay.
Who wouldn't like it?
What is love without patience, without trust, without hope? What is love without attention, without forgiveness, without pain. Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now? I wanna know. How do you feel when your love is taken away? Would you tell me now? I wanna know. What is love? When a woman loves, she loves for real. It's so painful when you give your love, but what you get in turn is hate. It's so sad when you give your all, but no one cares. Ooh, yeah. Tell me what you mean when you say you love somebody. Would you tell me now?